Students, today we are going to solve questions of area related to circle. Question number 1. Find the area of the minor and major segment of the circle if the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter and central angle is 120 degree. Okay. Pi value is given 3.14 and root 3 equals to 1.732. So this is the circle. Central angle is given 120 degree. Radius 10 centimeter. This is the minor segment. Shaded part is the minor segment. We have to find out area of minor segment and area of major segment. Okay. So we know that area of minor segment equals to r square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This 2 is under theta only. Okay. So radius is given 10 centimeter. Correct. So 10 into 10, pi value 3.14, theta 120 degree upon 360 minus sine 120 upon 2 cos 120 upon 2. So 10 into 10, 100, 3.14 upon 3, 0 cancel, 12 is a 36. So 3.14 upon 3 minus sine 120 upon 2 means sine 60 and cos 120 upon 2 means cos 60. So 100, 3.14 upon 3, sine 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 61 by 2. So 3.14 upon 3 minus root 3 value 1.732 upon 4. Correct? Let us take LCM. LCM is 12. 3, 4 is 12. 4. 4 multiplied by 3.14 divided by denominator and multiply by numerator. So 3, 4 is 12. 4. 4 multiplied by 3.14. 12.56 minus, we have to divide it by 4. 4, 3 is 12. 3. 3 multiplied by 1.732. Then your answer is 5.196. Okay. Now we have to subtract 5.196 from 12.56. Answer is 7.364. Okay. 100 into 7.364 upon 12. So when 7.364 multiplied by 100, there will be 2 zeros. Decimal after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come after 4. So it will be 736.4 upon 12. Correct? So when we divide 736.4 by 12, answer is 61.366. So we can write 61.37 approx. So area of minor segment is 61.37 centimeter square. Okay, this area we have calculated. This is the minor segment. Now to calculate major segment area, so we can subtract minor segment area from the circle. Okay. So let us calculate area of circle first. So area of circle pi r square. Pi value is given to us 3.14. Radius is 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10. 3.14 into 100. So 31400, decimal after 2 digits. 0 0 will be cancelled. Answer is 314 centimeter square. So this is the area of circle. Correct? So now area of major segment equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of major segment equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle 314, area of minor segment 61.37. So when we subtract, we get 252.63. So this is the area of major segment. Okay students, now let us solve one more question. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 5.2 centimeter is 16.4 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. So perimeter of the sector is given to us. This is circle. This is center. These are radii 5.2 centimeter, and this is the length of arc. So perimeter of sector R plus L means 2R plus L. So perimeter of sector 2R plus L. Perimeter is given to us. It is 16.4 centimeter. Radius is also given to us 5.2 centimeter. So 16.4 equals to 2 into 5.2 plus L. So 5.2 multiplied by 10, 5.2 multiplied by 2 becomes 10.4 plus L. 10.4 will transpose this side, become negative. 16.4 minus 10.4 equals to L. L equals to 6 centimeter. So we have calculated L. Okay student. Now we know that the area of sector formula, because the question is asking for find the area of sector. So area of sector formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. I told you one more formula student. Area of sector equals to half R into L. Okay. Half radius of circle. Radius of circle is 5.2 centimeter. L, length of arc. Length of arc is 6 centimeter, calculated just now. So 2 3 is 6, 3. So 5.2 multiplied by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. 15.6 centimeter square. Okay. So remember students, there are two formulas of area of sector. One theta upon 360 into 2 pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. And one half R into L. Okay. Okay then student.